Start here.
Welcome to Start Here, a transformative journey from the Start Here with Jefferson YouTube channel. This playlist is designed to help you navigate and achieve your personal and professional goals. We delve into essential aspects of personal growth, helping you take that crucial first step towards change and success. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Let this be yours. Explore your purpose. Define your passions and set meaningful goals. Change is vital and growth guarantees a better tomorrow. Together, we can unlock your potential. Join us today and begin your journey. Warm regards, Jefferson.
Welcome to the section Self-Reflection and Action.
This section invites you to harness the power of self-reflection as a pathway to meaningful action and personal growth. Through self-reflection, you'll learn to pause, evaluate your thoughts and behaviors, and gain a deeper understanding of your strengths, values, and areas for improvement. By regularly engaging in this practice, you'll build clarity about your goals, align your actions with your intentions, and cultivate a life that reflects your true aspirations. The section also emphasizes the importance of turning insight into action. You'll explore practical techniques for setting clear goals, developing actionable plans, and taking consistent steps toward positive change. Self-reflection is only the beginning. By committing to intentional action, you transform your insights into real progress, creating a cycle of growth that keeps you moving forward. With guided exercises and strategies, you'll be encouraged to take ownership of your journey, adjusting your approach as you learn more about yourself and your path. By mastering self-reflection and purposeful action, you'll empower yourself to make decisions that propel you toward a life of fulfillment, resilience, and achievement.
Today's episode.
Chapter 29. Master your mindset. Introduction.
In a fast-paced world where distractions abound, the question, why now, is often overlooked. Yet, this question holds immense transformative potential. The urgency to act now is not about succumbing to pressure, but about recognizing the opportunities and responsibilities of the present moment. When we ask, why now, we challenge ourselves to confront our procrastination, overcome fears, and embrace the unique possibilities that exist only in the present. The significance of acting now lies in its ability to create momentum. Many of life's most outstanding achievements begin with a single decisive step taken at the right moment. Delaying action often leads to missed opportunities, compounded stress, and stagnation. Conversely, embracing the present empowers us to learn, grow, and adapt in real time, enhancing our ability to achieve meaningful results. This chapter explores why embracing the now is crucial to personal growth, resilience, and achievement. Through understanding the concept, overcoming common challenges, and learning from the examples of those who seized the moment, you will discover the tools to align your actions with your goals. Acting now is not about rushing, but about intentionality, making thoughtful decisions that reflect your values and aspirations. Why now? Because the present moment is all we truly have and is the foundation for building the future we desire.
Understanding the concept.
The concept of why now revolves around the power of timing and intentional action. Recognizing the value of the present is the first step towards creating a purposeful life. Acting now does not mean rushing into decisions, but embracing a mindset that values the opportunities in front of you today. One, the value of the present moment. Every decision and action shapes the future. Waiting for the right time often leads to inaction, as perfection rarely exists. Acting in the now allows you to capitalize on current opportunities that may not be available later. 2. The compound effect. Small actions taken today can yield significant long-term results. This principle applies to personal growth, professional achievements, and relationships. By acting consistently, you build habits that compound into meaningful change. 3. Overcoming fear and hesitation. Fear often holds people back from taking action. The mindset of why now challenges you to face your fears and take calculated risks. By doing so, you open doors to growth and resilience. 4. Creating a ripple effect. Your actions today not only impact you, but also influence others. Seizing the moment can inspire those around you, creating a ripple effect that amplifies your efforts. Understanding why acting now is essential gives you the clarity to prioritize your goals. It's not about rushing, but about recognizing that time is a finite resource. By embracing the present, you align your actions with your aspirations, turning intention into impact.
Challenges and solutions.
Acting in the present moment often comes with hurdles, but these challenges can be overcome with practical strategies. 1. Procrastination. Delaying action is one of the most common challenges. People often wait for perfect circumstances that rarely materialize. Solution: break tasks into smaller steps and set deadlines. Start with manageable actions to build momentum. 2. Fear of failure. Many hesitate to act now because they fear making mistakes or falling short. Solution: reframe failure as a learning experience. Every setback provides valuable insights and growth opportunities. 3. Uncertainty. The unknown can be intimidating, making it difficult to commit to action. Solution: focus on what you can control. Prepare for risks while remaining adaptable to change. 4. Overanalysis. Thinking too much about possible outcomes can lead to analysis paralysis. Solution: limit the time spent on decision making. Trust your instincts and take calculated risks. 5. Lack of confidence. Doubting your abilities can hinder your ability to act decisively. Solution: Build confidence through small wins. Surround yourself with supportive people and remind yourself of past achievements. By addressing these challenges with proactive solutions, you can overcome hesitation and embrace the power of acting now.
Practical applications.
One, set short-term goals. Focus on immediate goals that align with your long-term vision. For instance, if you want to write a book, commit to writing 500 words daily. 2. Take small steps. Break big projects into smaller actionable tasks. Completing small steps builds momentum and confidence. 3. Learn time management. Use tools like calendars, to-do lists, or productivity apps to structure your day. Allocate specific times for tasks to ensure progress. 4. Practice mindfulness. Cultivate awareness of the present moment through mindfulness techniques. This helps reduce distractions and enhances focus on current tasks. 5. Celebrate progress. Acknowledge and reward yourself for milestones, no matter how small. Celebrating achievements keeps you motivated and reinforces positive behavior. Applying these strategies ensures that you make the most of your time and opportunities.
Case studies or examples.
One, Brian Chesky, co-founder of Airbnb. Chesky acted on his idea of renting out air mattresses in his apartment to generate income during a conference. This small step laid the foundation for a global hospitality empire. 2. Macha Graham, a pioneer in modern dance. Graham revolutionized the art form by acting on a passion and embracing the present moment, even when traditional approaches dominated. 3. Dr. Devi Shetty, an Indian cardiac surgeon. Dr. Shetty recognized the need for affordable health care and acted swiftly to create Narayana Health, providing life-saving surgeries at a fraction of the cost. Brian Chesky's quick action turned a simple idea into a global success. Martha Graham's decision to act on a passion reshaped an entire art form. Dr. Devi Shetty's timely response addressed a critical healthcare gap, saving countless lives. These examples underscore the importance of acting now to achieve transformative outcomes.
Personal reflections.
Take a moment to reflect on your life and consider the following questions. What opportunities have you been delaying and why? How can you start taking small steps towards these opportunities today? What fears or doubts are holding you back and how can you address them? Jot down your thoughts in a journal. Reflecting on these questions helps you connect with your goals and motivates you to act with intention.
Conclusion.
In summary, asking why now encourages us to embrace the present moment and take decisive action. By recognizing the value of time and overcoming challenges, you can align your actions with your goals and create meaningful change. Remember, the best time to act is now. Seize the opportunities in front of you. Trust in your abilities and take the first step towards the future you envision. Each action you take today sets the stage for a brighter tomorrow.
A final thought with Jefferson. The title of this episode of A Final Thought with Jefferson is The Courage to Begin Again, Embracing New Beginnings.
Life rarely goes exactly as planned. Dreams get delayed, doors close, and seasons shift. But in every ending lies the possibility of a powerful new beginning. Starting over is not a sign of weakness. It is a sign of strength. It takes courage to release what no longer serves you and step into the unknown with fresh hope. New beginnings are your chance to reset, refocus, and rebuild. This time with greater wisdom. What you lost may have prepared you for what is coming. Do not let fear or past failures hold you back. Let them fuel your resolve. You are not starting from scratch. You are starting from experience. To begin again, permit yourself. Let go of guilt, regret, and shame. Forgive yourself. The past cannot be changed, but your future is still in your hands. Take responsibility, then write a new chapter with clarity, purpose, and vision. Start small, but be consistent. New journeys do not require perfection. They require movement. Set your goals. Take one step at a time, and each step forward proves that you still believe in yourself. Surround yourself with people who remind you of your value. This is your moment. Today can be the day one where something extraordinary begins. The courage to start again already lives inside you. You must choose to activate it. Do not wait for ideal conditions. Start where you are. Use what you have and move with what you know. The future belongs to those bold enough to start again right now, in the middle of uncertainty. So, take a deep breath, lift your head high, and move forward. Your next breakthrough is just one brave decision away.